we're going to open Lego set. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
So the first thing we see after we open the box, there are two bags, a manual book and a sticker. The age recommendation for this Lego set is about 7 up until 14 years old, so my son have a little bit of problem keeping it up. So here's my thought on this Lego set. Overall, the Lego set is really awesome. They have like 4 main figures, but the only thing that disturbed me is this Misako character. She has like a really off yellow because the base is black, so they painted yellow all over it. And this mecha droid is really awesome. Like they have like fins, mini wings, like submarine headlights. Overall, it's really satisfying with this set, and I bought it like not really expensive, about $20 or something. And the rest is the pictures for the minifigures and the sets. Enjoy and thanks for watching.